Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Somenek, and today I'm going to speak to you about what fillers are appropriate for volume enhancement in your face. So for those of you that are entering the filler realm, you'll quickly realize that there's a wide variety of fillers out there. The most common fillers that are on the US market at least are your Restylane or your Juvederms, which are composed of hyaluronic acid. These are temporary fillers that last somewhere around 9 to 12 months, and so for that reason need to be repeated. I frequently start my beginner patients on hyaluronic acid fillers because it provides an instant result, it has very little downtime, and in the event that there is an issue or you don't like the filler, it's reversible, so it has that safety factor with it. For my more established patients or my patients that have what I consider filler fatigue, where they feel like they're just going through the fillers a little bit faster than the average person, I recommend a filler called Bellafill. This is composed of something that is a semi-permanent particle and certainly has a longer lasting improvement over some of the more conventional fillers out there. So there's certainly a wide variety. The characteristics of the fillers also matter in terms of what type for what area of the face. And fillers have something called G prime, which is the lifting power of the filler. And so fillers with higher G prime are more appropriate for areas that need more augmentation, like the jawline, the chin, or the cheeks. But for your under eyes or your lips, things with very thin mucosal or skin surfaces, you want to use something that is very thin and goes very smoothly into that area because these are very dynamic structures. So I hope that demystifies fillers for you.